This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhone appreview.com here with a video app review of an application called iSecrets. iSecrets is an application that lets you password protect videos, pictures, text documents, and have secure searches right there on your device, which is really cool. So this is an application that I'm quite a big fan of already. I think it's a really cool app that has a lot of potential. So we're going to go ahead and unlock mine, don't tell, to take a look at what I have here in my iSecrets app. Now this application, we are reviewing the free version. The free version does not let you have unlimited collections, and it also is ad supported, as you may be noticing right here. However, there is a paid version you can upgrade to, either directly here from in the application or by purchasing it directly. It is $1.99, so not too big of a deal. You can get there very simply under the settings tab. So, application organization-wise is great. It works in either landscape or portrait orientation. Looking at it here on the iPad too. What you do is you tap here to create a new collection, or you can upgrade, log out. You can actually link with Facebook if you choose to. You can connect to other iDevices that are on the same Wi-Fi network, which is great, or you can actually plug this in manually to a computer and do file sharing through the application through iTunes. You can upgrade here, as I mentioned. We're going to give it just a second to pop up. So here's say $1.99, not a bad deal, but we're going to go ahead and create a new collection. We're going to call this Kitties 2. Alright, so you have a couple different options for adding information. You can go here to the bottom and say add. You can add from your camera directly, which means you can actually take images and upload them right away. You can add from your library, add from Facebook, as I mentioned, add via Wi-Fi, add from iTunes, or you can actually create your own text files behind this password protected area, which is kind of cool. We're going to add from library, and we're going to just add some kitty pictures. Maybe a dog, maybe a duck, maybe an owl, but mostly kitties. You can, and you know, as I said before, you can do videos, you can do images. You have quite a few different options. And when you're done, click on done. It will import them into the application, and then that takes longer or shorter, just depending on how many items you choose. Since I told some videos, it's probably why it's taking just a second. And it does give you limitations here, as I mentioned, with the free version. Free version limitations: 3 videos, 10 photos, 5 documents, each collection. So that's your limitations, which is good to know. So I chose too many pictures. And you can play them right here in the application if you choose to, which is kind of cool. You can organize them as well. So if you want to organize the order that these photos are in, you can touch and drag and move. When you're done, you tap OK, and they're reorganized. So organization-wise, pretty cool. There's your videos, there's your documents. Just to kind of show you the add create text file feature, which is kind of cool. Kitties are great. Done. And this one's called Cat. Alright. And now we have a document as well, which is really kind of a neat thing. And there it is at the bottom. There's your doc. So, kind of a cool way if you're trying to organize photos or anything like that. Here's my original one that we did, which is called Test Kitties. Very similar to the one I just created. And also, as you may see here, there's a downloads. Now, that has to do with this browser functionality, which has a really cool search function. It has a built-in history save. There's some neat gestures you can do and really easy things you can do. We're going to search for, you guessed it, kitties. And let's see what we got. Images. Download image. So it's that simple. You can actually download with almost a single touch. Just touch and hold. Download image. And you're good to go. Now again, I really like the idea that you have your history you can access very simply, that you can send help, send the link by email, set something as a home page, or download your current file, or again, just go to your home to do that quick start. So a very simple application to use. Here is where your downloads go. And you can do all kinds of stuff with those. You can actually resize them if you choose to. Unfortunately, it's not behaving now, but I promise you can actually go to your downloads and edit from there. You can zoom to fold, you can send email, use an album cover, set the camera roll, save on Twitter, or share on Facebook. You can go between them. You can set up a photo show, a slideshow of them, or you can do some cropping, which is cool. I'm more of a free cropper myself. There you go. So those are the main highlights we have here of this really cool little application called iSecrets. It's a media vault. I think this is a really cool little application if you're looking for some security and some privacy. You can't beat that this is free, but if you want to get all those features, it's still a pretty low price of $1.99. So here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, it did give us application a 4 out of 5 stars. Easy enough to use, interesting set of features. I think there could be more to it. As far as editing, creating maybe multimedia presentations, and inputting text and file editing and things like that. But on a whole, definitely a solid application. I like it quite a bit. So I'm at the iPhoneAppReview.com. This has been Valerie Lauer with a video app review of iSecrets. Until next time.